fasting. Bees. One of the best advices I can give you is surround yourself with people who make you feel uncomfortable in any situation. Let me explain. So, if somebody make you feel uncomfortable about the physique, they got bigger muscles than you, they in better shape than you, then you should be careful to be around them because they're gonna make you get in the better shape. If somebody is making more money than you in different ways and they make you feel uncomfortable, you should be around them because they're gonna teach you how to make more money. You're gonna learn from those people to be better. If somebody is wiser than you and they make you feel uncomfortable, be around them so you can be more wiser, so you can learn from them. You gotta surround yourself with people that are better than you. Sometimes when you're the best in the group, it's not good. You have to go where you are the worst one, so you can learn from the big ones, and you can get inspired by people that are better than you, and you can become a better person. I am the fasting beast.